If you're trying to lose fat, you've probably heard two things. Stretching keeps you lean and flexible, and strength training burns fat and builds muscle. But which one is better? Today, we're breaking it down, stretch versus strength, for fat loss. Stay till the end, because the answer might surprise you. Let's talk about stretching. It's relaxing, it improves flexibility, and it feels good. But can it help with fat loss? The truth is, stretching alone doesn't burn a significant number of calories. However, it plays a key role in your fat loss journey by improving muscle recovery, reducing stiffness, and even lowering stress levels, something that affects weight gain. Think of stretching as your body's reset button. It won't directly burn major calories, but it's your secret weapon to move better, feel better, and recover faster. Now let's talk about the heavy hitter, strength training. Unlike stretching, lifting weights doesn't just help you burn calories during the workout, it keeps you burning fat even after you leave the gym. How? By building muscle. Strength training isn't just about getting stronger, it's about becoming a fat-burning machine. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns all the time. So, what's the final verdict? Which one is better for fat loss? If you're only doing one, strength training wins every time. But here's the real secret. The best results come when you do both. Don't fall into the either-or trap. Stretching and strength training are like the perfect fitness power couple. Together, they help you lose fat, move better, and feel amazing. Now that you know the power of both, it's time to take action. Drop a comment below. Are you team stretch or team strength? And don't forget to subscribe for more fitness motivation and tips. Let's crush those fitness goals together.